This is the iPhone 11. The iPhone 11 came here to change the battery of the mobile phone. So now we shall open the both screw under the phone. This iPhone has a very low battery health. So we shall replace a new battery so the phone can live longer, happily ever after. First, we can apply the phone with our prying tool and apply isopropyl alcohol around the phone so we can easily open the LCD. Once we open the LCD, we shall open all the metal brackets so that we can open all the connector for the battery. And now we shall replace it with a new battery with 100% battery health that can last longer and you can use the phone longer. Once we done all this, we shall install back everything carefully so that we won't harm the phone. So now the phone is done and can go to war with the user again. We shall give back this weapon to the king of the iPhone. Thank you for supporting us.